Now, an online PDF library may not sound like the most exciting technology development project, especially after all those NASA stories. But when you hear the story about this one, I think you'll agree. It's a pretty great story. The Health and Safety Information System is an online repository of health and safety data sheets, basically documents that tell you how to handle various chemicals and materials. It was developed for the British Ministry of Defence by a gentleman named Alan Woods, who built and delivered it for the total price of £65,000. What he didn't know at the time was that other bidders had proposed costs upwards of £7 million. That's 2 orders of magnitude more. So he delivered it for less than 1% of the cost of what other bidders proposed charging. His system is more accurate, faster, and more comprehensive than the one it replaced. The maintenance costs are less than a tenth of the previous. It gets 400,000 queries per year and is one of the busiest sites on the Ministry of Defense's intranet. Mr. Wood's approach, Alan's approach, was completely guided by an emphasis on speed, thrift, and simplicity. No gold plating, no over-engineering, just a simple, elegant, focused design, an uncluttered and obvious interface. And if you've ever used a government website, you know how rare it is to find one that is uncluttered and obvious. So what if his system hadn't worked? Well, the British government would have been exposed to minimal loss and could have moved on to Plan B without too much pain or difficulty. The lesson from the HSIS system, the Health and Safety Information System, is simply this: it happened. It could happen again. It is possible to deliver world-class capabilities without spending decades and billions, as long as we focus on speed, thrift, and simplicity.